WM Sports editor Digvijay Singh Deo was in Chhattisgarh to soak in that historic moment, and he was joined by the former president of the Indian Shooting Federation, Raninder Singh, to reflect on Bhakar's victory. Let's listen into that interview.
Lots of brick bats for Indian shooting at Rio as well as Tokyo, Raninder. Yes. Are you vindicated today?
I don't think I'm vindicated. I think my team is vindicated. An administrator's job is to stand by his team, provide all the facilities, work with government to ensure that everything is smoothly provided for. We did that, and it was not our day then. I think we are going to see our day blossoming very well here.
You know, Manu Bhakar, I first saw her as an 18-year-old, 16, 17-year-old in fact, when she came in to that team in Guadalajara, and she's gone through ups and downs. But just take me through the emotions, because you walked in as the final was starting. The emotions when she clinched that medal. She went for silver and gold perhaps, but it wasn't her day. And her day perhaps will come over the next couple of days.
Yes, I just like to tell your viewers that Manu lost out on the silver by 0.01, which is in terms of millimeters, and the target would probably be thinner than one of my beard hair. So it was very, very close, but a bronze is a great achievement. It's the emotion, it's ecstasy. I mean, we've all waited. The athletes are the gainers and losers of everything. But we at the back who stand behind the curtain and do our duty by our team, for us it's even more of a joy to see our children blossoming, and they are doing exceedingly well.
But just a word on Manu, because she went through a lot. I met her after Tokyo. She was emotionally shattered. Lots of expectations from her. Perhaps in hindsight, that COVID pandemic hurt Indian shooting. But it takes great resolve to sort of course correct, to find what was missing. Because I remember her mentor, who was coaching her, Jaspal Rana, had once told me that she's a once-in-a-generation shooter.
He's right. And she went through a lot. There were some issues between the athlete and her coach at that time. I stood with my athlete as I must always. Having said that, I think Jaspal Rana has done an absolutely fantastic job in bringing her back into this form. I mean, kudos to him, and one should tip one's hat to him. But let's not forget the athlete and her resolve as well. I mean, the way she shot consistently today, all tens. So it's not a joke. She first female individual finalist in 20 years for India. That's a very, very big achievement.
And also now the first medalist.
And hopefully not the last.